Welcome everyone. We are at 13th Die and Mould exhibition happening in Bombay. I am at the stall of Jyoti CNC in conversation with Mr. Nikhil and his colleague from HANSA FLEX.
HANSA FLEX.
So it's a German company
Yes,
associated with Jyoti since
Jyoti
a long
CNC.
time, I would say. They have a 50 around machines
60.
of
Around
60
60
around
machines, yeah.
machines of Jyoti. So would like to understand the reason behind choosing Jyoti.
Because quality of this machine is good rather than other machines. Even though you can check with the rate as well, this machine is good compared to other branded machines. But we get the quality of product from these machines. Actually, we are based on hydraulic fitting and hoses, and we are getting good quality of products from that machine.
So, talking about HANSA Flex, what exactly you're manufacturing
Yeah,
here, and
yes.
does this machine are ordering
Our
with
HANSA FLEX
precisions?
company is manufacturing hydraulic fitting and hoses, bending parts, tool parts, like that.
So, in order to enhance your relationship more with Jyoti CNC,
Yes.
what or which new innovations of Jyoti which you would like to explore?
Now we are procuring every month new machines from Jyoti CNCs for our new developed projects. Yes. And we are continuously touching with that guy, Jyoti CNCs guy. Yes.
So, like you said, you have to get in touch with them. You have to experience the service. You have to experience the things with the people who are inside the Jyoti CNC. So, how was that experience you had with
That
Jyoti?
experience is good actually. Every month we are talking with the Jyoti CNC guys, or with Rahul Pawar or Nagnath Chopade is there. Their service guys there in Pune. Every day, every month we are touching with them for improving the CNC tools as well, for any check activities, all those things.
Thank you for sharing this
Thank you.
experience, Mr.
Thank you.
Nikhil.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And thanks a lot, everyone, for watching us. Thank you.
Thank you.